I appreciate you coming. Alright, so unfortunately, the guy was not able to get the lower ball joint out. He had to leave for the night. The parts place to get the new lower control arm was closed, so he will be back in the morning after he gets the part. So we're down a car for another day. Alright guys, it's day 2. I'm on my way back to the Jeep. The sidewalk is rough. Anyway, I'm on my way back to the Jeep. The guy went to a pool part store this morning, I guess, to get the lower control arm. So we're gonna go there and we're gonna see if we can get it done today. Damn, the sidewalk's full of jumps. Look at this. My God. I gotta get on the road. Alright, so we ran into another snag. This bolt, he had to run to the store to buy a saw to cut that bolt off. Thankfully, the replacement part came with a bolt, so that's what you get with an old rusty Ohio car. Thank you. Alright guys, so we just got back home. This time he said it was too hot. He's gonna go home for a little bit, charge his batteries, he'll be back. Anyway, so I'm gonna do a little editing and wait for him to call me back. He said when he calls me back, the job will be done. So here's the hoping. Alright guys, so one of two things are going on right now. I have not heard back from the mechanic since he said he was going home to charge his batteries. He said he was coming back as the sun was going down so he didn't have to work in the heat. So I'm gonna ride down there and see if he's working on my car or he just abandoned the project. Alright, I'll see you when we get there. Well, that's unfortunate. So I guess the answer is no. He did not come back like he said he was going to. He didn't even call. He didn't text. I mean, he could at least let me know that he wasn't coming back tonight. Like, I do have a job. I am a normal person just like everyone else. Just trying to get by in the world, and I need a vehicle to do so. That's unfortunate. Cool thing is I did get to take the e-bike out at night. And there's something about, like, the humid air and, like, still air when it's kind of later at night that just kind of gives you, like, a vacation feel. Because I am still new to this area, so I do kind of still feel like I'm on vacation. So I do like that. Anyway, this is very unfortunate. I guess I'm just going to ride back home and maybe send the guy a text. I don't know. But I'll let you know when I know. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Day 3 of the car adventure. So I'm headed to my car, see by the off chance that maybe he's there working on it. If not, on their website is an address that is close to my car. I sent multiple text messages this morning. So even if I didn't get scammed, if the dude just tore my car apart and just decided not to come back, that is, it's going to be an unfortunate situation. But I'm going to check there first before I start spamming phone calls and getting all upset for no reason. There's nothing I can do. I'm not in control of it. All I can do is just wait and see and figure out the next step. So it's not the end of the world. We're going to go see if he's there. If he's not, make a phone call, swing by the business. Okay. I mean, I already paid the guy for... I got sent to voicemail. Who tears somebody's car apart and it just doesn't show back up to finish what they started? Dude, I think we're just gonna ride over to this business. Business might not even be there. Might have just been an address they used. I don't know. We're gonna see though. I guess the place is supposed to be up here somewhere. Guess I gave a burner address just to have something on Google. Seems to be the word of the day is unfortunate. Oh, I just got a text from him. It says, sorry, just woke up, had a long night, but I'll be there today to finish. I guess I'm gonna head back towards home. I don't know. All right. Well, I guess, I guess we figured it out. And he finally got back to me, so we'll see you guys in a little bit. Basically, what I'm looking for is a small little cafe or something with Wi-Fi, so I can get some editing done while I wait for the mechanic to, I don't know, finish my car, hopefully. Oh, the seat is about to be on fire. I'm trying to take as long as I can before I go back there, because if he's not there again, I might lose my mind. Moment of truth. 3 o'clock in the afternoon. He has still not made it. Alright, so it's day 4. Text a guy this morning, called him this morning, left him a voicemail. Got nothing back. I think he basically just ghosted me. I tried getting a hold of a few other mechanics. Nobody wants to come look at it because somebody already tore it apart. This started Tuesday, now it's Sunday. This is hopefully the final day. I called another mobile mechanic and he's headed there right now. This guy is coming to put it back together, and hopefully by the end of this video or this day, I'll have a working car again.
Sorry that it had to go that way.
You know, that's life. It's gotta get the rust bucket home, you know? We got it fixed. Showed up right when he said he was gonna show up. He got it back together in probably an hour. The name of his company is RMC Mobile Mechanics. I'm grateful for that guy because nobody else would answer their phone. Nobody else would show up. He showed up. But that's gonna do it for this video. If you like this video, drop a like on the video and we will see you in the next one.